In today's episode, we're along with Sorel Mizzi in Season 12 WPT High Roller Tournament with a buy-in of $125,000. The blinds are $2,000 and $4,000, and the ante is $1,000. Mizzi is under the gun and sees King 10 unsuited. Even in a six-handed table, this hand is not strong enough to raise, because when facing a re-raise from another player, he'll probably have to fold. But Mizzi wants to try to keep representing a decent hand just because he's under the gun, and most of the times in tournament when players raise under the gun, they usually have a decent hand. So Sorel raises to $10,000 and gets called by Scott Seaver. The rest of the players fold. The flop brings a straight draw with 8 high, and Sorel bets $18,000 on a $31,000 pot. Seaver calls. Now if Seaver's call, he can have anywhere from 2 overs, a pair with a straight draw, to a pair with a big kicker. It's hard to put Seaver on a 2-pair hand since he knows that if any of a number of cards show up on the turn, the action might stop. So if he had a 2-pair hand or a set, he's probably going to raise on the flop. The turn brings a 9 of clubs, meaning that if Seaver did have a pair with a big kicker, or just 2 overs, he can't call Mizzi's bet. On the other hand, Mizzi can represent with his hand anywhere from 10-jack, pocket 10s, pocket 6s, or an overpair. The card range Mizzi can hold is big, where with Seaver's call on the flop, his range is more narrow. At this point, if the 9 helps Seaver to improve his hand, like if he has a 2-pair hand, pocket 6s, a pair with a 10, or jack 10, he'll stay in, otherwise he'll probably fold. Sorel Mizzi took the chance that the 9 of clubs didn't help Seaver, and Seaver folded with the best hand.